Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is me, and you can call me Fissy for short. This morning I woke up feeling very different. I wanted to try something different. I just felt like trying something new, and I was like, what better way to try something new than with my subscribers? So I was like, okay, I'll try something new. I'm going to try wearing contact lenses for the first time. You guys are supposed to appreciate me for trying something new with you guys. So if this is your first time of tuning into my channel, this is your first time of seeing my beautiful face, make sure to subscribe, leave a comment, and give this video a thumbs up. And if you're a returning subscriber, you know I have big love for you. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, I have never ever worn contact lenses. I've never had to put it in my eye because naturally God blessed me. So naturally I have really pretty eyes. My eyes are really brown, really brown. They are like cat eyes, as people always say. I didn't even know, like, until when I started getting a lot of attention from people because of the color of my eyes. So I've never really had to like wear contact lenses. I do well with wearing them on my clients and on my models, and my eyes are really sensitive. That's why you see me these days, I do not wear eyeliner a lot. I try as much as possible to avoid irritating my eyes. When I was younger, I used to wear like recommended glasses because I had issues with my eye. So my eyes have been really sensitive from childhood. I just really never had the opportunity, let me just say that, to try on contact lenses. Hopefully I get to like put it on properly and nicely. But before I proceed, you know I like to always cover my eyes with the blood of Jesus. And I've watched like 1,527 videos on how to insert and put on contact lenses for the first time. So I hope I do this video justice. I'm going to clean my hands with baby wipes. I've cleaned my hands before. They are neat, but I don't trust myself. And I really don't want to go. I don't want to lose my sight. Am I dramatic? Am I being dramatic? Tell me in the comment section if you think I'm dramatic. So my mirror is down here. In case I'm looking down here, I'm looking at the mirror. Okay, so I'm going to open it. Oh wow, it didn't open. No. How am I supposed to open it? Okay, I think this is a seal. Okay, this is a seal. And I just broke the seal. I really don't like that it does not state which one to put on the right eye and on the left eye. Okay, it is open. It does not have extra solution. So if I waste this one, I'm not going to get another one. So I'm going to use this small container. It also did not come with any container, but I was lucky enough to actually find this one at home. Whew. My body is shaking. I am scared. My village wish not gonna get me. This is a lot of solution. Okay, my hands are shaky. I'm just going to put it down here safely. Say now safely. I'm going to put it down there gently. And okay, it says that I'm supposed to take in my hand. The videos that, sorry, my finger. The videos that I've watched on YouTube, there's literally nothing I don't watch on YouTube, honestly. So what I've watched on YouTube, I'm supposed to take it with the tip of my finger. I'm going to be using my, it's just index. I'm going to be using my index finger to apply this, and I'm going to be using the mirror down here because I need to like put my eye like this. So I'm not finding it easy to put it on my finger. The finger that is supposed to apply it for me. I don't know, I'm having palpitations. What's wrong with me? My heart is beating fast because of contact lenses. I always find it difficult to try new things. The only new thing I don't find it difficult to try, the only new thing I don't find difficult to try will be food. Okay, got it. So I hope I don't wear the other side though. It will not make sense if I can wear the OD. Do you guys know what OD means? OD means the other side, like when you're wearing the other side of a clothing. This thing is so pretty, like I'm going to like it on that person. Okay, let's do this eye first. It's not entering my eyes though. If I flop, it's not my fault. It's the fault of the contact. Mine is peppering me. Oh. Woo. Did they put that dragon in this? Don't tell me. You guys, it's not staying. Okay, let me try and open my eyes like this. So I'm using this one to raise my eyelid and this one to pull my, whatever this place is called, down underneath my eyes. Hey! Failed attempt. My eyes are already becoming teary. Why is this so hard now? Okay, calm down, calm down. I just saw it. Oh! Guys, I saw it inside though. I thought it had stayed and it did not stay. Failed attempt number 2. Ooh. I think I should relax. I think I need to drink like Fanta so my body calm down. Should I go and drink juice and come back to complete this video? Okay, I'm trying for the 3rd time. If it does not work now, I'm going to leave this one and go to the other eye. I saw it inside. Failed attempt number 3. What am I doing wrongly? Should I let me put it in the solution again? Maybe it's not lubricated enough. So I'm going to just give up on my on my left eye. I'm not giving up on my left eye like that. Like I'll just not do anything there now. You guys, nothing is working. Like it's not even entering my eyes at all. I feel like I'm already crying. And eye dirt is already coming out of my eyes. Like I don't need it to enter my eyes first. But it's dropping. It's not entering my eyes. It's staying on my. Failed attempt number 4. I'm tired of counting failures. I'm not a failure in Jesus' name. My problem is that my eyes are closing before the contact enters, which is a sad situation because I'm pulling it with all my strength. Failed attempt number 5. Oh Jesus, my head is starting to ache me. It's not even working at all. I should have practiced, but I really wanted to try like first time so you guys can see how hard it can get or how easy it can get. I don't know if you guys feel me because I'm not understanding what's going on with this thing. Okay guys, I think it's my eyes. Okay guys, it's in my eyes now. I'm supposed to roll my eye one kind. Where is it? You guys, it was my eyes, but it was folded. Whoa! I was thinking it was going to enter my eyes and I'll not see it again. Oh Jesus! One must enter by fire by force. Okay guys, this one is inside. Yay! It's peppering me. I'm blind. I'm really blind. Jesus. I'm not blind. I'm not blind. Oh guys. I'm excited that it's inside my eyes already and tears of joy. Misayo, well done, well done. I'm so proud of you. Guys, my eyes are red. It's my eyes. But the tears will not stop. These are tears of victory. I don't mind. Oh my god, these are tears of victory and I really don't mind. Guys, I got contact on after like 25 tries. I already caught some and they're not going to be in this video. I went on to clean my tears of joy. Guys, can you see? Is it popping or not? So I want to apply some more gloss on my lips because when I have my gloss on, nobody can near me. I'm so excited. Like, I'm going to go out. I'm going to go out today with this contact. I promise you, it gets better. If you are putting contact lenses in your eyes for the first time, of course, it's definitely going to go in your eyes for the first time. I know that it might be hard, but then just persevere. You're gonna make it. Cause see, like, it's so comfy. It feels like my normal eye. So I'm going to pick the other one like I did. Hopefully, this one will be easy. I believe. So I'm supposed to use my right hand still, but then make sure to clean your hands. Oh, my hands are clean, and I clean them again when I just, so you don't end up putting germs into your eyes. You don't end up putting coronavirus into your eyes. So first things first, I'm feeling like a professional now. So you guys, I need you to pay attention. First things first. Use your index finger to drag the other end of your eyes down. Use this one to raise your eyelid. Then just place it inside. I don't think I'm a pro again. I'm just a learner now. Because I think I was bragging too much. It didn't allow it to work. There's one extra finger. I don't know where it's coming from. Marvelous. I think it's because you're looking at me. That's why this thing is not entering my eyes. Everybody's marvelous that is doing me.
One eternity later.
And I'm trying again. Right now, I don't even know how I'm feeling. I'm at the verge of giving up. Okay, it's nice. Woo. Calm down, sir. Calm down, calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Guys, it's my eyes already, but I feel like something is there, like sand or something. It's pepper. Oh, guys, I'm feeling that kind of pain. Ah, mommy. It's peppering me. But it's my eyes already. It's my eyes already. It's nice. Oh. Oh. Ooh. This one is so difficult. It's still paining me. Chisel. It feels like my eye is going to remove. Oh. And the tears will not stop. God, my eyes are red. And my head is aching me. I want ice cream. I want ice cream. I'm just start crying right now. I need money. Oh my God, guys. I don't even know how to feel. I'm so proud. Thank you for believing in me. Ayodeji, are you proud of me? I'm crying. Thank you so much. It means a lot. It means a lot to me. Who died? Nobody. Oh my God. Oh my God, guys, they are in my eyes. So my right eye is really aching me. I'm trying to act all coordinated and everything, but it's really aching me. I feel like I'm getting a migraine. This is the end of this video, putting contact lenses in my eyes for the first time. You guys have seen my struggles and you have seen my win. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to subscribe. Don't be part of the 70% of people that watch my videos and don't subscribe. So let me know if there are other first time impressions, first time experiences videos you like to see. Let me know if you want me to try anything first off with you guys. I'll be so excited to try them out. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I love you guys so much. Bye.